Hi everyone, I'm Cassandra Thompson, your 30-something makeup-loving normal gal making videos for other 30-somethings here on YouTube. And today we are doing an Ulta haul, but before, we just have to address the fact that I look like the Tin Man. At least in my monitor right now, everything is glowing. Part of it is my insane eye look that we'll get to in a second, but part of it is the Smashbox Photo Finish in Radiance. So it has that like metallic-y sheen to it. I am shocked by how much it shines through everything. I have my Bare Pro matte foundation on over it and I still just look so glowy. Like look, it looks like I have highlighter all over and I don't. It's just this. So if it's a little much for you, I get it. It's a little much for me, but I wanted to get this video out to you, so we're just going with it. Same with, I can't believe I am on camera with my hair in a slicked back pony. I probably look bald, but it's gonna be 115 here today, and the room I film in has no air conditioning. So I've had the fans going, now they're off, and so now we can talk, but you're gonna have bald looking me do this. So this is my big bag of Ulta stuff, and let's just get into it. I'm just gonna go one by one, whatever I grab. So first, I might do an IGTV on this. This might be my first IGTV video, which might come out before you even see this. But I saw this set on Ulta Beauty and was like, that's an insane deal. So it is the Ultimate Self Tanners set. It comes with a tan towel face tan, which if you've watched any of my like tanning or summer essentials videos from last year, I love tan towels. I think their face towel is great. So you get one of those. The Coola Sunless Tan Anti-Aging Face Serum. Okay, any serum that also makes me tan. Cool. Saint-Tropez Gradual Tan, the Tinted Body Lotion. I have mixed feelings on that one, but I already tried it. But, you know, good to try. That's why this set's so amazing. The L'Oreal Sublime Bronze Tinted Self-Tanning Lotion. The Naked, or NKD, Naked Skin, Gradual Glow Daily Tan Moisturizer. So all three of these are like daily, just, you know, like how the Jergens one is. And then you get the Vita Liberata Body Blur, which is the one that you just put on and it will last 24 hours. So this whole thing costs $10. And then the reason I have an Ulta haul is because they had that video, I can't talk, that coupon, the 20% off everything coupon. So this cost $8. So I'm gonna try all of them. I've already tried the Saint-Tropez. I've had the Sublime Bronze before. But I'm gonna try them all and then I'll probably do an IGTV on it. But this was a great find. Oh, also I like that they wrap them all in tissue paper and you get to take them out. It's like unwrapping presents. Got a lot of palettes for you. One is, I already took it out of the box, I've already used it. It is the Dream Street. This is Kathleen Light's palette for ColourPop. I thought it was really a fun set of colors that still feels somewhat wearable. So you've got your fun like metallic-y blue and deep teal. These are a little too on the reds side for me. This is what's on my eye today in the crease, and then I darkened it with something from my peach palette. This is my first ColourPop palette. I am beyond impressed. This is my third day wearing something from it. It is 8 in the morning. If I showed you 4 o'clock this afternoon, my eye makeup would not budge. Like a coworker and I were talking at 4 o'clock one day and she's like, we were talking about this palette and she goes, is it what you're wearing? I'm like, yeah. She goes, it looks the same as this morning. Like it does not move. So this makes me want to go out and buy like all ColourPop palettes. I kind of want the Fame one, but it looks way too similar to the Too Faced White Peach. But overall, I've just been super duper duper impressed by this. It's just got the right amount of like extra fun, but you can also just come right here and make a really nice natural look. So highly recommend this. If I spend this long on everything, we're gonna be here forever. Quick thing. I got a new brush. I've already used it. I just realized, oh, I need a brush. This is Ceramic Plus Ion from Olivia Garden. I know it's just a brush, but when you get a new brush, you like it. It's good. I'm really enjoying it. So like that. Okay, this was just, there were some things I just picked up for fun. This is the John Frieda Sheer Blonde Go Blonder Controlled Lightening Spray. So you're supposed to spray it in your hair after it's wet and then style with it. Spray this in and then blow dry or flat iron because it needs the heat to kind of make it work. So this was the little like trial size. This week the full size is on sale, but I thought, I'll try it. I've used it once and I know this is crazy, but I think it is lighter. I don't know. I'll keep you updated on how it goes. Probably that too. I feel like a lot of updates are going to be on Instagram, so if you don't follow me there, it's at Cass Thompson Beauty. 30-something beauty was taken. So go find me on Insta because I'll probably update on stuff like that on stories. Okay, this was a dud, but I wanted to try it. So this is from Fizz and Bubble, and it's Lavender Fields Bubble Bath Candies. So comes in this box, and they're all separate like this. And I looked at them and thought, those look a lot like the bubble baths from Lush. And Lush Bubble Bath is the best bubble bath on the face of the planet. You get what I call movie bubbles from those. Like, it produces stiff foam bubbles that stay in the tub, whereas most bubble baths are on the top, you get in the tub, and then they're gone within 2 seconds. No, the Lush ones stay for days. So I thought, ooh, these will be the same. And this tub is normally $15, which is crazy. It was on clearance for $7.50. Should have been a warning sign to me, but it wasn't. It was on clearance for $7.50 plus the 20% off, so I thought, okay, I'll try it. No bubbles were produced from this. I'm still going to use it because it'll smell good and things, but I do not recommend getting this tub. Okay, so I went and got Derma E products because I'm sure you can tell because I don't have on full coverage. I am getting some like spots, either like acne scars or reappearing or just, I don't know, I'm getting some issues on both sides. And so I wanted something to help with that, and I needed a new vitamin C serum. Everyone raves about Derma E, so I tried their vitamin C concentrated serum with hyaluronic acid. I like the way it goes on. It came in a box. I didn't open the box. I didn't realize that it's not covered. And so vitamin C loses its power when exposed to light. So I should just put that away right now. So I'm going to try and keep it in a dark spot. I also think, I mean, I've only used it a couple days and it's already here. So I think I'm going to go through it pretty fast. We'll see how it goes. Then it was buy one, get one 50% off. So I was like, well, I should buy something else. So I bought the Derma E Skin Lighten, which is got alpha arbutin, licorice extract, and vitamin C in it. And you're supposed to put it on twice a day, but I don't think it played well with my makeup, so it might just be a nighttime product for me. And use it twice daily for 3 to 4 weeks, and it's supposed to lighten everything too. So I don't know, for that reason I might try it. It's a weird product. It is like a straight up cream, like you can't dig into it, you just kind of glaze your finger on top and pull a little bit off. So it's kind of interesting. I might like take away a ton of products and only use this for the next 4 weeks and just see what happens. We'll see. We'll see what happens. Okay, more palettes. So I actually bought this right before the big Ulta haul I did, but I thought I'd include it because I did buy it at Ulta. This is the Soph X Makeup Revolution palette. This is the first one she did. Right after I bought this, the second one came out. But I had been wanting it for so long. It's a beautiful color selection. It's very similar, hold on, I've got it right here. Very similar to the Too Faced. It has just, hold on. There are things that remind me, same colors in there. This is not the greatest quality. I was pretty bummed. It's still fun. to play with. Like, I mean, you know, greens. The blue is super transitional. It's much, see, it turned out purple. It's very much like the NYX one that I love. It just, some of these, they swatch okay, but on a brush, they brush out to nothing. So that was kind of a bummer. But that's why that Makeup Revolution price, you can't beat it. Like, I can't complain. This cost me barely anything. So it's okay that it wasn't amazing. You're gonna think I need to go on a palette hiatus because I also got the Urban Decay Born to Run. So I've played with this a little bit, and I think right now I'm just overwhelmed by the options. Like, I love how many options there are. That's why I wanted it. I love that it has some blues and greens, some kind of fun colors to play with that I normally might not, while still having some good neutrals that I totally would do. It's a lot of metallic, same as the ColourPop. It's a lot of metallic, and I have not been a metallic girl lately, like intense metallic, that I'm still figuring out how to use this. Somebody mentioned, and I don't think it's really designed this way, but it does kind of work, to just use it like this is an eye. Like, go vertically down it. This is an eye. This is an eye. The only place it doesn't work is this one. And I thought, well, maybe I'll try that one day and kind of see how it goes. Although this would be an eye I'd never do, like a pink purple on the eye. Don't think that's for me. But I might try it that way and see what happens. It's highly intense. I dabbed in, what is this, Double Life? Dabbed in it one day. And see, like, that didn't do it. I barely touched that to do that. I dabbed in it with a brush, and on my eye it was like, oh, that's a lot. I had a very intense day eye look, but I am liking it. I'll play with it more. Maybe we'll do like 4 looks with it or something coming up. I don't know. I've always wanted one of those Lipstick Queen color changing lipsticks. The one, you know, there's the Frog Prince one that's green and it turns like a purpley color on your lip. They have that yellow one that turns like a coral. That's pretty. But they're all $20 or more, and I'm like, I'm not doing that. Essence came out with them in blue, green, and purple. So this is Kiss the Frog. That's interesting. I wonder what that's a dupe of. So yes, this is totally a Lipstick Queen Frog Prince, but it costs $3.49. It looks like a lip balm the way they've got it domed. It does not feel like a lip balm. It is not going to moisturize your lips, but it's super fun. Sorry, I already have lipstick on, so I'm not gonna switch it right now. But it does come out to more of a purpley pink color, as you can see there. I like it. It's kind of nice that you could leave it in your bag and just throw it on, and you know your lips are going to have color if you didn't have a mirror around or whatever. I bought the blue too. The blue is already in my purse. I like that one even more. But if you just want something fun to play with, a little treat for yourself, these little Essence, it's Kiss the Frog. There's a purple that's Mermaid. I didn't get that one. That one turned way too hot pink. I don't remember what the blue is, but they're color changing. They're fun. Fun little thing for summer. I like it. Okay, then last. So I bought some masks. I bought, you know, some masks. So I stocked up on my Soap & Glory Miracle Moisture. This is already only $4 to begin with. It's an amazing deal. This is probably my favorite mask out there right now. I think it's taking over the Too Cool for School ones for me. So highly, highly, highly recommend this. I bought a couple of them, so let me move them out of the way. Okay, so then I bought other Soap & Glory masks I haven't tried yet. I bought 3 of the Radiance Boosting masks. This one has vitamin C in it. Can you tell I'm on a big vitamin C kick? White Flower Brightening Complex, Lotus Flower, Cherry Blossom, and Rooibos, I can never say that word, tea extract for dull, lackluster skin. So I wanted to try it because I want to see if this will help with my complexion too. So bought a bunch of those. Then I bought 2 skin smoothing pore refining masks because I've also been having some of those issues lately, probably from all the products I've been trying. So got a couple of those, and then I tried a Magic Foot Peel mask. I know there's like the Magic Foot or Happy Foot mask that's the original foot peeling mask, but it's $20. I tried one this past week from Francesca's. If you have a Francesca's near you, it's kind of like a gifty store. Like, it has some clothes and cheapy jewelry and then a bunch of gifts. They had a magic foot peeling mask. I put it on and it says wait 4 to 6 days and your feet will start peeling. Well, it's day 5 and my feet are just starting to peel. So we'll see what happens. It seems kind of strange. I don't know if it's working. But Tony Moly has now come out with the changing magic foot peeling shoes. And so what you do, oh my gosh, I had to find the English. You have to put them on your feet. Okay, so his you put on your feet for 1 to 1.5 hours. So like put them on, they're like little socks with lotion in them. Put them on and then leave them on, like go watch a movie, binge some Netflix, don't move. And then after you take them off, you wash your feet. And then in 4 to 6 days, the dead skin cells will naturally start falling off. So once again, you have to wait 4 to 6 days. So we'll see how this one goes, and then I'm gonna try this guy. It's worth a shot. With that, that is everything. I hope you enjoyed this Ulta haul. Let me know, did you haul anything with your coupon? I would love to know in the comments what you got. Did you like it, not like it? Please let me know, because I'm always on the hunt for new products. So that is everything for this video. Thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Hit the notification bell so you know when new videos come out, and give it a thumbs up if you like Ulta haul or haul videos. And with that, you should be getting suggestions of other videos I think you'd like. So please keep watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.